Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be cooking delicious laddu, Moong Dal Laddu. We're gonna be making it, and we're gonna start by adding 1 cup of moong dal. Yum. Then we're gonna wash it 2 to 3 times with fresh water. Then you're gonna add some water in it and let it soak. You're going to let it soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to take out the excess water. So all you have is the moong dal. Then you're going to let it dry for 30 minutes. After that, you're going to add 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Then you're going to add all your dry moong dal. And you're going to roast it in medium flame. Make sure they're all roasted nicely, and you're going to roast them for at least 20 minutes. You have to make sure they're all roasted nicely, and you can see that they're kind of changing in the color. They're getting darker. So when they're getting darker, you know it's almost done. So after 20 minutes, they should be like this. You're going to add them into a blender after they cool down, and you're going to grind it coarsely and turn it into powder, like rava. So there it is. It should be easy and like normal powder, so it's easier to turn it into a laddu. Next, you're going to add 3/4 cup sugar, and you're going to add some cardamom seeds. Then you're going to turn it into a powder. You're going to mix the dal and the sugar. You're going to mix them together, and you'll get this light peach color. I think it's really pretty, don't you agree? Kind of looks like sand. You're going to add 1/2 cup of melted ghee. It might work better if it's nice and warm, and you're going to add some more if you need to. It should be like crumbly dough. You should be able to turn it into a laddu. So it should be like this, and you're just going to squish some together into a ball shape. And then, done. You have your laddu. So delicious. These are so good and delicious, and they're fresh for up to 2 weeks. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy these delicious sweets and serve with a smile on your face. And we'll see you next time. Bye.